everyone, it's Marky. Today I wanted to talk about these MISSLO garment bags. So these are really large. They are 43 inches by 24 inches. So if you can see the height here, they are really good size for whatever you're needing to store or to travel with. One of my favorite things about it is how smooth the zipper is. I've had different garment bags where the zipper will get caught on the inside or get caught on the clothing or just not move well. This zipper moves extremely well. It's also 4 inches here, so you can fit 5 to 8 clothing items depending. Like if you're doing huge coats, maybe less, but if you're doing suits or dresses or anything that's kind of like thinner and smaller, I think it would be absolutely perfect. It also comes with these 2 handles. So there's one here on the top and then there's also one here on the bottom. So you can either carry it just from the top, or if you are kind of, hurrying around and it's not gonna get wrinkled like this, you can just carry it sideways like this and hustle into whatever you're doing. I think they would be great for traveling or a wedding, specifically in my opinion, just because I did get married out of state and I had to transport my dress and my husband's suit in my car over state lines and hope that they didn't get wrinkled and nothing happened to them. This is perfect for that. They're not gonna get wrinkled. It is water resistant, so you're not gonna have to worry about anything splashing on it or anything getting the clothes inside wet. Also, it has this little see-through window right here, which you can see if you're using it for storage or if you're moving a lot of clothes at once, you can see what is in the bag without actually having to open it. It's just a really great product. I think that it's really sturdy, it's really well made, it's really reinforced on the hems itself. And then it does have this little pocket right here where you are going to put the hooks of your hangers to hang them, whether it's in your storage or in your car, wherever you need it to be. And yeah, it's a really good size. You can fit quite a few different hanger heads in there and be able to hang everything at once. So if you're looking for something that is maybe just for travel or something to store clothes in, maybe it's winter time and you're putting away your nice summer dresses that you just want to keep wrinkle-free, odor-free, water-free, everything, I think this would be a perfect choice. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.